What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the new wireless Model O. It has arrived. I went into the group buy because I wanted it. I needed it. I knew that I was going to love this mouse, and I absolutely do. This is the newest product by Glorious PC Gaming, and it's here. So we're going to talk about it. We're going to look at it. We're going to review this thing, and I'm going to let you know everything you need to know to see if you want to go in and purchase this as well. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing first. Inside, we obviously have the mouse, which feels amazing. This matte texture it's just great. I mean, like I said, I have the wired Model O, and I love it. But just holding this, feeling again how light it is with no wire is great. Obviously, this is your power switch right here. As soon as you turn it on, you see the RGB comes on, as well as the DPI light on the bottom that corresponds with the button on top right here. Besides that, we have the USB-C extended cable, which could be used with the receiver as well as the dongle. Now you can just plug this receiver into your computer and go with it, especially if you're in an open space and everything works fine as far as Bluetooth goes. You can just use this and know that the product is going to be receiving every input that you from you swaying your mouse and moving it, and it will be received. Or you can plug it into the dongle or the receiver port, then plug this into your computer while plugging the USB-C part into it, like so. And from there, you'll be able to have it on your desk a little bit closer. I know some people may feel weird because it's like, what's the point of getting wireless then? But I promise it's not a big deal, and you barely even notice it. And last but not least, we have the BAMF sensor, which is Glorious's newly developed sensor made in collaboration with Pixar. As you can see right here, they've made a lot of, I don't want to say fuss, but they've spoken this thing up a lot, especially with that YouTube video that they came out with, which was actually pretty cool. I enjoyed that, but I'm excited to see how everything goes. Obviously, they don't have the best track record when it comes to quality control, meaning like the first round of like Model mice, they did have a few problems, which they corrected very quick. So customer service and great. So I think we'll be all right? They seem to learn from their mistakes with every product that they've released. So here we are, getting into the price, weight, and dimensions. You're going to be looking at $80 USD while it's weighing 69 grams. And I put it this way because you can't really get a wireless mouse these days that's built with this type of quality for that price point. If you look at the G Pro, it's going to be 80 over 60 at $130. 80 over 60 meaning 80 grams, lasting 60 hours, where the Razer Ultimate is going to be 74 over 70 for $150. Again, meaning 74 grams, lasting about 70 hours for $150. And now you have the Model O Wireless, which is 69 grams, lasting 71 hours, at a price point of $80. Yeah, $80. So that's huge. As far as dimensions go, this thing is going to mirror its older brother with a length of 128 millimeters, with the rear being 66 millimeters, the front being 61, where the grip is going to be 59 millimeters. So the exact same as the Model O wire. And we both know it wouldn't be an unboxing / review video without me actually letting you hear the sounds of the clicks. Now, keep in mind, I am not a tech reviewer at all. I'm doing my best here to bring the information for you guys as well, but I don't have that little fancy machine that when you can do the clicky stuff and it picks it up. So I have to actually bring it closer. So I apologize, but let's go ahead and listen to this. Now, as we approach the end of the video, one of the last things I want to talk about is Glorious Core, and that's what you're going to see on the screen right now. This is the software that was made to work with the Model O wireless. if you don't download this, one of the things you'll notice is you may see that your RGB will turn off, or it seems like the mouse turns off, and that's because that actually is a setting in here where it says the lighting turn off after inactivity 10 minutes. It seems to be the standard preset, but you know, it's up to you if you want it on or if you want it longer or shorter. Anyway, moving up, we have lighting, which you'll be able to go in and change. The glorious mode is what I'm going to use. That's just going through the basic colors. And you have the seamless breathing, single color, tail wave, rave, and then LED off period. Now, keep in mind the 71-hour battery life. I believe that is with RGB off. With RGB on, I'm not exactly sure, as I haven't tested it yet, but keep that in mind. Besides that, you can change the different rate, you can change the brightness of it, and you have different key bindings in here for you to use it with, as well as performance. I went ahead and took away the green. The green was pulled at what was it, 8,000, 18,000, something high that no one's ever gonna use, right? And then the last one is the debounce time. Debounce time, I'm not sure what that is, so I'm not going to go into depth about what that is. This is just the standard. This is what it comes as when you take this out of the box. These are the settings. Like I said, the only thing I removed was the last setting on the DPI. And you have different profiles that you can set, but yeah, you have your lighting, you have your key bindings, and you have your performance. Like I said, if you go to settings, turn off after inactivity, 10 minutes for the lighting, where you may see it go off. Yeah, that's that. And that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and comment down below. Are you going to be buying this mouse, or aren't you? Are you going to, wait to the next one? Also, if you have any questions at all, just put it down there and I get to you as soon as I can. Just so you know, I am going to be coming out with a new video relatively soon regarding the Fanatic Streak 65 keyboard, 65% keyboard that I ordered. So until next time.